Are you frustrated with overly complicated sewing machines that claim to make life easier but end up making it harder? I get it. Starting out as a beginner in sewing can feel overwhelming, like trying to find your way through a labyrinth. But here's the silver lining. Not all sewing machines are created equal. Stick with me as we unravel the top 5 sewing machines that could truly upgrade your crafting experience. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5, the Janome Mod 200 sewing machine brings some serious beginner-friendly features to the table. At first glance, its 200 built-in stitches might seem like overkill. But don't worry, the intuitive design simplifies the process, making it surprisingly easy to master. And that one-hand needle threader? It's a lifesaver, especially if threading needles feels like threading a needle in the dark. But let's be real for a moment. While this machine has plenty of fans, it does have its limits. It's fantastic with light to medium weight fabrics, but tackling heavy-duty materials might leave you wanting more. And some users mention occasional inconsistencies with stitch quality on more intricate projects. On the bright side, the backlit LCD display is a thoughtful touch. It ensures you can easily select stitches without squinting or second-guessing. Plus, the free arm feature is perfect for handling clothing repairs or tricky cuffs, tasks that can feel impossible without the right tools. Now, a quick heads up. While the machine's design is lightweight and portable, its plastic components may not hold up as well under heavy long-term use compared to sturdier metal-framed options. What's reassuring is the 25-year limited warranty, which shows Janome's confidence in their craftsmanship. But remember to check the fine print. It's always good to know exactly what's covered. At number 4, we have the Singer M1000 sewing machine, a compact and lightweight option weighing just 5.5 pounds. For beginners craving portability, it sounds like a perfect fit. With 32 stitch applications for basic techniques and a top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover to monitor thread levels, it's designed to make sewing feel approachable and hassle-free. But let's pause for a reality check. While its portability is a standout feature, it does come with some compromises. Many users report durability concerns, broken needles, thread tension issues, and bobbin glitches being frequent complaints. If you're tackling complex projects, this machine might leave you feeling stuck. That said, the finger guard safety feature is a thoughtful touch, especially for parents or anyone who prioritizes safety. But even this doesn't quite balance out the machine's inconsistent performance. While it handles light fabrics reasonably well, more intricate tasks might prove challenging. Now let's talk value. The M1000's budget-friendly price makes it tempting, but you're essentially paying for a short-term solution rather than a long-term investment. It's a decent starting point for learning, but as your skills grow, you'll likely find yourself upgrading before long. If you're looking for a portable, entry-level machine for basic mending or simple projects, the Singer M1000 could fit the bill. Just keep its limitations in mind as you weigh your options. Taking the middle spot is the Brother ST371 HD sewing machine, a versatile option designed for a variety of skill levels. With 37 built-in stitches and an automatic needle threader, it offers a mix of convenience and flexibility that's hard to ignore. The heavy-duty label might catch your eye, but let's unpack it. While this machine does a great job on medium-weight fabrics, calling it heavy-duty might be a bit of a stretch. That said, it still delivers consistent performance on most everyday projects. What's especially helpful for beginners is the instructional DVD, a thoughtful inclusion that makes learning much less intimidating. The free arm feature adds even more versatility, making it easier to handle clothing alterations or creative crafts. And let's not forget Brother's lifetime technical support, which is a fantastic resource for troubleshooting or questions. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Some users mention uneven stitching, especially when switching between fabric weights. And while the machine's lightweight design makes it portable, it can feel a bit wobbly during more intricate tasks. Overall, the Brother ST371 HD is a solid choice for beginners and casual sewists looking for a reliable, user-friendly machine. Just keep its limitations in mind when tackling bigger projects. Coming in at number 2 is the Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine, a favorite for beginners looking for durability and performance. With a heavy-duty metal frame and an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute, it's hard not to be intrigued by its power and speed. Let's dive into how it performs in real life. The 23 built-in stitches cover everything from basic straight stitches to decorative options, making it versatile for a range of beginner projects. And the automatic needle threader? A total relief for anyone who's ever struggled with shaky hands or poor eyesight. What's really exciting is how well it handles thicker fabrics, like denim. Thanks to the 60% stronger motor, it punches through materials many entry-level machines can't. But let's keep it real. Heavy duty doesn't mean invincible. Extremely thick or layered fabrics can still push its limits. One thing to note: noise levels. This machine is powerful, but it's not exactly quiet. If you're sewing late at night or in a noise-sensitive space, that's something to consider. The metal interior frame inspires confidence in its longevity, but don't skip regular maintenance. Like any machine, the Singer 4423 rewards practice and care. For those ready to invest a little time and effort, it's a reliable companion for leveling up your sewing game. Claiming the top spot is the Brother CS7000X sewing machine, a versatile powerhouse packed with features perfect for beginners and beyond. With 70 built-in stitches, it offers an impressive range at its price point, giving you room to explore and grow. Plus, the wide table and included accessories make it feel like a complete sewing package. But let's be honest, not every feature is flawless. While the improved needle threader is a lifesaver for many, some users still find it tricky to get the hang of. The metal frame adds stability, but the overall build quality can feel inconsistent at times. Where this machine truly shines is in its adaptability. Whether you're quilting, making garments, or tackling creative projects, the CS7000X handles it all. The larger workspace is a game changer for ambitious projects, and the free stitching capabilities unlock endless creative possibilities. Just remember, these advanced features might take some practice. Don't be discouraged if perfection doesn't come right away. The hard case and multiple presser feet are thoughtful additions, but keep in mind there's a bit of a learning curve compared to simpler models. If you're ready to invest time in learning, this machine can take your skills to new heights. Choosing the right sewing machine is all about finding what fits your needs, budget, and creative goals. While no machine is perfect, the Brother CS7000X offers the tools to help you thrive. Happy sewing, and here's to many creative adventures ahead.